Hello guys, welcome back to E-Road Bachelor's Kitchen. So today I am just going to prepare veg kurma. So for that I'm taking potato and beans for each 100 grams, and then chana dal, and then green peas each 100 grams. So other than onion 7 numbers, and then green chilli 4 numbers. So other than curry leaves. So I'm going to take one tomato. Everything chopped into fine pieces. So I'm taking coconut, half cup. So cardamom and cinnamon, and then poppy seeds I took. So included these three into coconut. I'm going to paste. So I added oils in the cooker. So instead of the oil I added mustard seeds and onion, green chilli and curry leaves. So included that I added one tomato. So I'm just going to deep fry until the onion turns into a light mirroring stage. So this vegetable kurma is very yummy taste with pair of chapati and parotta. It is one of the finest taste in included which we are going to eat in the pair of parotta and chapati. So and also this is also very good combination to idiyappam. So I added chana dal, green peas, everything all into this cooker. So now I'm going to add masalas. So turmeric powder and chili powder, then garam masala and curry masala. So except curry masala each 1 teaspoon, and curry masala is 2 tablespoons. It looks very good. Now I'm going to add a coconut paste into this. So I added salt too. So I added coconut paste and added sufficient water, and close the cooker. Wait until 5 to 6 whistles. That's all guys, our vegetable kurma is ready. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.